Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of automatic watches with a comprehensive review of 10 incredible timepieces that have captured our attention. From budget-friendly classics to luxury contenders, we've tested each watch thoroughly to see which one truly stands out. The results might surprise you. Our number one pick was completely unexpected and left us genuinely amazed. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting your watch journey, this video will help you discover your next perfect timepiece. So grab your coffee, settle in, and let's explore these fantastic automatic watches together. Number 10, Timex Automatic, Model 2025. Starting our countdown at number 10 is the Timex Automatic Model 2025, a watch that brings affordable automatic movements to the masses. This timepiece features a reliable mechanical movement visible through a display caseback, allowing you to admire the intricate workings inside. The design stays true to Timex's heritage with clean lines and easy-to-read dial markers that work perfectly for everyday wear. The 40mm stainless steel case feels substantial without being overwhelming on the wrist, making it versatile enough for both casual and semi-formal occasions. Water resistance reaches 50 meters, which handles everyday splashes but isn't meant for swimming. The leather strap provides comfort throughout the day, though some users might prefer upgrading to a more premium option. Build quality is solid considering the price point, with smooth edges and decent finishing throughout. The automatic movement keeps reasonable time, though it's not competing with Swiss precision. Crown operation feels secure, and the watch wins smoothly when you need to give it some manual encouragement. For newcomers to automatic watches, this Timex offers an accessible entry point without breaking the bank. It's perfect for those curious about mechanical movements but not ready to invest heavily. While it lacks some premium features found in higher-priced competitors, it delivers honest value and reliable timekeeping. The Model 2025 proves that automatic watches don't have to be expensive to be enjoyable and functional for daily wear. Number 9. Bianchi B1618 UltraFino. At number 9, we have the Bianchi B1.618 UltraFino, a watch that emphasizes elegant minimalism and sophisticated design philosophy. The name references the golden ratio, and this mathematical precision is evident in the watch's beautifully balanced proportions. With an ultra-thin profile measuring just under 8mm in thickness, it slides effortlessly under any shirt cuff, making it ideal for formal occasions. The 38mm case size might seem small by modern standards, but it wears perfectly and feels refreshingly classic on the wrist. The dial showcases exceptional attention to detail with hand-applied indices and Dauphine hands that catch light beautifully. The automatic movement inside is reliable and well-decorated, visible through the sapphire exhibition caseback. Finishing quality impresses throughout, with polished surfaces that rival watches costing significantly more. The Italian leather strap complements the refined aesthetic perfectly, adding to the overall luxurious feel. Water resistance is limited to 30 meters, which is standard for dress watches of this caliber and thickness. What sets the UltraFino apart is its commitment to timeless elegance over trendy features. There's no date complication to disrupt the clean dial symmetry, just pure horological beauty. The watch makes a statement through restraint rather than excess, appealing to those who appreciate understated luxury. While it won't suit every wrist or occasion, the Bianchi B1.618 UltraFino delivers exceptional craftsmanship and design for discerning collectors who value sophistication above all else in their timepiece collection. Number 8. Omega Seamaster Diver 300mm, New Orange. Coming in at number 8 is the Omega Seamaster Diver 300M in the eye-catching new orange colorway that brings fresh energy to this iconic collection. Omega has taken their proven dive watch formula and injected it with vibrant personality while maintaining all the professional capabilities that made the Seamaster legendary. The orange dial immediately commands attention, creating a bold statement piece that still maintains Omega's signature sophistication and refinement. The 42mm stainless steel case features Omega's signature design elements, including the helium escape valve and the wave pattern caseback. Water resistance reaches a professional-grade 300 meters, backed by Omega's rigorous testing standards. The ceramic bezel with its orange aluminum insert provides both durability and visual impact that photographs beautifully in various lighting conditions. Inside beats Omega's coaxial master chronometer caliber, certified by Metas for exceptional precision and magnetic resistance up to 15,000 Gauss. This movement represents the pinnacle of modern watchmaking technology, ensuring accuracy that far exceeds standard chronometer specifications. The rubber strap with deployant clasp offers comfort and security during active wear and water activities. Build quality is absolutely outstanding, with finishing that justifies the luxury price point across every surface. The loom performance is exceptional, glowing brightly for hours after darkness falls. While the orange color won't appeal to everyone, it represents Omega's willingness to experiment while respecting their heritage. This Seamaster delivers professional tool watch capability wrapped in contemporary style, perfect for collectors wanting something distinctive from the standard blue or black dial options available. Number 7, Ferrer Aqua Compressor Titanium Series 3. At number 7 sits the Ferrer Aqua Compressor Titanium Series 3, a watch that showcases British micro-brand excellence at its finest. Ferrer has built a reputation for creating distinctive timepieces with vintage-inspired designs and modern manufacturing standards, and this Aqua compressor perfectly embodies that philosophy. The use of Grade 2 titanium for the 39.5mm case makes this watch remarkably lightweight, while maintaining excellent durability and scratch resistance. The compressor-style case with its internal rotating bezel operated by a second crown creates a unique wearing experience. This design choice adds both functionality and visual interest while protecting the bezel from impacts. The dial features Ferrer's signature use of color with beautiful sunburst finishing that changes character depending on lighting conditions throughout the day. Inside powers a reliable Solita automatic movement that keeps excellent time and provides a 38-hour power reserve when fully wound. The exhibition caseback reveals tasteful finishing with Geneva stripes and perlage decoration. Water resistance reaches 150 meters, making this suitable for recreational diving and serious water sports without concern for damage. The attention to detail impresses at every level, from the perfectly applied loom to the smooth crown action. The quick-release strap system allows easy switching between the included leather and fabric options. Ferrer's customer service and brand engagement with their community adds value beyond the watch itself. For those seeking something different from mainstream offerings, the Aqua Compressor Titanium Series 3 delivers exceptional quality, distinctive design, and genuine character that sparks conversation wherever you wear it on your adventures. Number 6. Christopher Ward C65 Aquitaine GMT. Number 6 brings us the Christopher Ward C65 Aquitaine GMT, a watch that punches well above its weight class in both features and quality. Christopher Ward has established themselves as the value kings of the watch industry, and this GMT proves why they've earned that reputation. The vintage-inspired design with modern GMT functionality creates a timepiece that's both stylish and genuinely practical for travelers and watch enthusiasts alike. The 41mm case proportions wear comfortably on various wrist sizes, with the lugs curving nicely to ensure a secure fit. The bidirectional 12-hour bezel allows you to track a third time zone, which is more practical for most travelers than a traditional 24-hour GMT bezel. The dial design draws inspiration from 1960s dive watches while incorporating contemporary legibility and the distinctive Christopher Ward logo placement at 9 o'clock. Powering this watch is the Solita SW3-02 GMT movement, which provides reliable accuracy and a practical jumping hour hand for easy time zone adjustment. The exhibition caseback showcases the movement with Christopher Ward's custom rotor decoration. Water resistance reaches 150 meters, making this suitable for swimming and snorkeling activities during your travels. Build quality is exceptional considering the price point, with finishing that rivals watches costing twice as much. The light catcher case design adds visual interest, while the box sapphire crystal provides excellent clarity. The included quick-release bracelet features solid end links and a comfortable clasp. Christopher Ward's direct-to-consumer model allows them to deliver Swiss-quality watchmaking without traditional retail markup. Number 5. Fortis Stratoliner S41. Claiming the number 5 spot is the Fortis Stratoliner S41, a watch with genuine aviation heritage that translates beautifully into modern wristwear. Fortis has been the official watch of cosmonauts and has a rich history in aviation watchmaking that spans decades. The Stratoliner embodies this legacy while offering contemporary specifications that appeal to today's demanding watch enthusiasts who value both history and performance. The 41mm stainless steel case strikes the perfect balance between presence and wearability, with a relatively slim profile that fits comfortably under shirt cuffs. The bidirectional rotating bezel features a 12-hour scale that's useful for tracking additional time zones or elapsed time during flights. The dial design is clean and pilot watch functional, with excellent contrast ensuring readability in all lighting conditions and situations. Inside ticks a reliable Swiss automatic movement with a date complication positioned at 3 o'clock for perfect symmetry. The movement delivers solid accuracy and a respectable power reserve that handles weekend wrist time comfortably. Water resistance reaches 200 meters, which exceeds what most pilot watches offer and adds versatility to the watch's capabilities. The bracelet features solid construction with comfortable links and a secure deployant clasp that inspires confidence during active wear. Fortis's attention to finishing details shows throughout, from the polished and brushed case surfaces to the applied indices with superluminova coating. While Fortis may not have the mainstream recognition of larger brands, their authentic aerospace heritage and commitment to quality make the Stratoliner S41 a compelling choice for enthusiasts who appreciate genuine watchmaking pedigree and proven reliability in demanding environments. Number 4. Hamilton Khaki Field Automatic. At number 4, we have the Hamilton Khaki Field Automatic, a watch that represents one of the best value propositions in the entire automatic watch market today. Hamilton's military heritage runs deep, having supplied watches to American forces throughout the 20th century, and this modern khaki field carries that legacy forward beautifully. The tool watch aesthetic remains faithful to field watch traditions while incorporating contemporary manufacturing standards and reliability. The 38mm case size makes this incredibly versatile, wearing comfortably on smaller wrists while still maintaining presence on larger ones. The dial features excellent legibility with bold Arabic numerals and sword-style hands that glow brightly thanks to generous lume application. The date window at 3 o'clock provides practical, everyday functionality without disrupting the balanced dial layout and clean design. Powering the watch is Hamilton's H10 movement, which delivers an impressive 80-hour power reserve that handles long weekends off the wrist without stopping. This extended reserve adds real practical value to daily wear, reducing the need for constant winding. Water resistance reaches 100 meters, making this suitable for swimming and everyday water exposure without concern. The leather strap provides immediate comfort, though many owners eventually swap to NATO straps for additional versatility and military authenticity. Build quality is excellent throughout, with smooth crown operation and solid construction that inspires confidence. Hamilton's position within the Swatch Group ensures parts availability and service support worldwide. The Khaki Field Automatic delivers authentic military watch character, Swiss-made quality, and unbeatable value that makes it a staple recommendation for anyone entering automatic watch collecting or seeking reliable daily wear. Number 3. Oris Divers 65. Breaking into our top 3 at number 3 is the Oris Divers 65, a vintage-inspired dive watch that captures 1960s aesthetics while delivering modern performance and reliability. Oris has masterfully recreated the charm of their original 1965 dive watch, updating it with contemporary materials and movements that meet today's standards. The result is a timepiece that feels both nostalgic and completely relevant to modern watch collecting culture and tastes. The 40mm case size with high-dome sapphire crystal creates a distinctive vintage profile that photographs beautifully and wears comfortably throughout the day. The bidirectional bezel with its bubble-style design adds character while remaining functional for timing dive intervals. The dial features beautiful applied indices, vintage-style hands, and perfectly balanced proportions that create a harmonious overall composition and timeless appeal. Inside powers the reliable Oris 733 movement based on the Sellita SW201, which provides excellent accuracy and a 38-hour power reserve. The movement showcases Oris's commitment to mechanical watchmaking and their independence as one of the few remaining Swiss brands producing only mechanical watches. Water resistance reaches 100 meters, which handles recreational swimming and snorkeling comfortably despite the vintage-inspired design. The finishing quality impresses throughout, With attention to details like the coin-edge bezel and the beautifully executed dial printing that rivals much more expensive competitors. The bracelet features solid links and comfortable sizing, though the vintage-inspired clasp design takes some adjustment. Oris's commitment to mechanical watchmaking and their value proposition makes the Diver 65 a favorite among collectors who appreciate heritage-inspired design executed with modern manufacturing excellence and genuine Swiss watchmaking tradition. Number 2, Seiko 5 Sports GMT. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Seiko 5 Sports GMT, a watch that redefines what's possible at the affordable end of the automatic watch spectrum. Seiko has delivered true GMT functionality at a price point that seemed impossible just a few years ago, making dual-time capability accessible to everyone. This watch proves that serious complications and features don't require premium pricing, democratizing watchmaking technology in the best possible way for collectors worldwide. The 42.5-meter case size accommodates the GMT movement while maintaining comfortable wearability for most wrist sizes throughout extended wearing periods. The bidirectional rotating bezel with 24-hour markings allows tracking a third time zone, adding genuine practical value for travelers. The dial design incorporates Seiko's signature aesthetic with applied indices, a date window, and clear GMT hand indication that's instantly readable at a glance. Powering this impressive package is Seiko's 4R34 caliber movement, which delivers reliable GMT functionality, and Seiko's legendary durability and longevity. The movement isn't decorated for display but focuses entirely on reliable performance and accurate timekeeping. Water resistance reaches 100 meters, making this suitable for swimming and everyday water exposure without any concerns about damage. Build quality is solid throughout, with Seiko's reputation for durability clearly evident in every aspect of construction and finishing. The Hardlex crystal is more scratch-prone than sapphire but can be easily replaced if needed during long-term ownership. The bracelet provides decent comfort with solid links and a functional clasp. The Seiko 5 Sports GMT represents incredible value, offering true GMT complication, proven reliability, and Seiko's legendary customer satisfaction at a price that makes collecting automatic watches accessible and enjoyable for everyone regardless of budget. Number 1, Tissot PRX Powermatic 80. And here's our number 1 pick, the Tissot PRX Powermatic 80, a watch that absolutely shocked us with its combination of design excellence, technical capability, and outstanding value proposition. Tissot has created something truly special here, reimagining their 1970s PRX design with modern manufacturing techniques and the impressive Powermatic 80 movement. This watch proves that Swiss watchmaking can still offer incredible value while delivering genuine quality, style, and performance that punches far above its price point. The 40mm integrated bracelet case design captures the essence of 1970s luxury sports watches while feeling completely contemporary and relevant today. The waffle pattern dial adds texture and visual interest that photographs beautifully and changes character throughout the day in different lighting. The ultra-thin 10.9mm case profile makes this one of the slimmest automatic watches available, sliding effortlessly under shirt cuffs for versatile wearing. The Powermatic 80 movement delivers an impressive 80-hour power reserve that handles long weekends off the wrist without stopping or requiring manual winding. This extended reserve adds genuine practical value to daily ownership and reduces maintenance hassles significantly. The silicone hairspring provides excellent magnetic resistance and superior accuracy that maintains consistent performance over years of ownership and regular wear. And there you have it, our complete ranking of 10 incredible automatic watches, with the Tissot PRX Powermatic 80 taking the top spot. We hope this review helped you discover your next timepiece or simply appreciate the amazing variety available in today's watch market. Remember, the best watch is always the one that speaks to you personally and fits your lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button, subscribe for more watch content, and let us know in the comments which watch was your favorite. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep those watches wound and wearing well.